Have you ever felt more tired, achy, or foggy after eating certain foods? What if I told you that 5 common foods sitting in your kitchen right now might be slowly harming your body, draining your energy, and stealing years from your life? Today, I will reveal the 5 toxic foods seniors should stop eating immediately to protect your heart, joints, and memory. Let's get straight to the point because your health is too important to waste time. Number 1. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli slices may taste good, but they are packed with sodium, preservatives, and harmful compounds that increase inflammation in your body. Let me tell you about Mr. George, a 72-year-old who loved his morning bacon. He thought it was harmless until his blood pressure shot up, and he began feeling dizzy every afternoon. His doctor told him the processed meats were loading his body with salt and nitrates, making his blood vessels stiff and raising his blood pressure. When George switched to eggs with avocado and added fresh fruits, his blood pressure improved, and he felt more energetic. If you enjoy meat, switch to lean chicken, fish, or beans. And if you want flavor, add herbs like rosemary or garlic instead of processed meats. Number 2. Sugary drinks and sodas. Many seniors drink sodas or sweetened teas thinking it's just a treat, but these are loaded with sugar, which spikes blood sugar and increases your risk of type 2 diabetes, weight gain, and even memory decline. Linda, who is 68, used to drink 2 glasses of sweet tea every day. She felt sluggish and had constant joint pain. She didn't realize that sugar was fueling inflammation in her body. When she replaced her sugary drinks with water infused with lemon and mint, she noticed her joints were less stiff and her energy improved within weeks. Try drinking water, herbal teas, or water flavored with lemon, cucumber, or berries to stay hydrated without harming your health. Number 3. Deep fried foods. Foods like fried chicken, French fries, and donuts are high in unhealthy fats that clog arteries, increase inflammation, and harm your heart and brain. Mr. Robert, aged 65, loved going to his local diner for fried chicken every Sunday. But he started experiencing chest discomfort when walking short distances. His doctor explained that fried foods were raising his cholesterol, leading to blockages in his arteries. Robert decided to switch to grilled chicken and baked sweet potato fries, and within a few months, he noticed he could walk farther without feeling winded. Instead of frying, try baking, grilling, or air frying your foods to keep the flavor without the harmful fats. Number 4. White bread and refined carbs. White bread, pastries, and refined cereals quickly turn into sugar in your body, spiking your blood sugar and increasing inflammation, which can lead to joint pain, weight gain, and memory problems. Eleanor, a 70-year-old woman, loved her morning toast with jam, but she often felt tired by mid-morning and needed a nap after lunch. When she learned that white bread was spiking her blood sugar and causing energy crashes, she switched to whole grain bread and added peanut butter with banana slices instead of jam. Now, Eleanor says she feels steady energy throughout the day. Replace white bread and sugary cereals with whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole grain bread to keep your blood sugar steady and your energy stable. Number 5. Packaged snacks with trans fats. Packaged snacks like chips, crackers, and certain baked goods often contain trans fats, which are harmful fats that increase bad cholesterol, lower good cholesterol, and increase your risk of heart disease. Dave used to snack on packaged crackers while watching TV every evening. He didn't realize that the trans fats in those snacks were harming his heart. When he switched to nuts, fruits, and hummus with veggies as snacks, he noticed he lost weight and his cholesterol improved on his next checkup. Check labels and avoid anything with partially hydrogenated oils. Choose healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or veggies with hummus for a heart-friendly option. So let's quickly recap. 1. Processed meats. 2. Sugary drinks. 3. Deep fried foods. 4. White bread and refined carbs. 5. Packaged snacks with trans fats. These 5 foods can steal your energy, increase inflammation, and hurt your heart and brain health. Seniors should consider these 5 useful tips. Read labels carefully to avoid hidden sugars and trans fats. Drink water or herbal tea instead of sugary drinks. Plan meals in advance so you're not tempted by processed foods. Use herbs and spices for flavor instead of salt and sugar. Choose whole foods as much as possible to protect your health. Let us know in the comments, which of these foods are you going to replace first in your kitchen? If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more senior health tips.